There you go. What a cute little girl. Okay, can you please introduce your name? What's your name?
Dylan.
So Dylan, how old are you?
5.
5. So do you prefer English or Tagalog?
Tagalog.
O sige, mag-Tagalog tayo. Okay, Dylan, sino kasama mo ngayon?
Si ate si mami.
Nasaan si ate at si mommy? Turo mo sila, Dylan? Ayun, okay. Sige, Dylan, anong performance mo today? Kakanta ka ba o sasayaw?
Sayaw.
Sasayaw, alright. The floor is yours, Dylan.